Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off voice assistant on power button on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel annoyed when you want to open the power menu on the power button, but when you press it, the voice assistant comes out. Don't need to be worried because you can turn off the voice assistant easily. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first I wanna show you. So if we press the power button, then the voice assistant will comes out. And to overcome this one, now you can go to settings menu. Now you can scroll down, and then here's now you can go to advanced feature and then go to side button. And then after that, now you can click on long press, and then you can change Bixby or voice assistant to power off mode. And so yeah, here's the result. And here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.